Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, I am going to talk about very important vocabulary for B1 level students. These words I have taken from the textbook Netzwerk and you can learn them but with the meaning. At workplace sometimes something happens wrong. Etwas schief geht or we say Panne am Arbeitsplatz. I write this word Panne. Panne am Arbeitsplatz means something wrong. Panne am Arbeitsplatz. This word Panne hat has also another meaning like ich hatte Panne means my car got punctured. It was not working. So I had problem. Ich hatte Panne. But here Panne means something mishappening at the workplace. Panne am Arbeitsplatz. So we'll see what kind of Panne you can have at the workplace. I have written very beautiful sentences. You can see them. Zu spät zu einer Besprechung kommen. Zu spät, to come late for a meeting, Besprechung. You have a meeting in the office and you are coming late. Sie sind spät. Sie haben sich verspätet. So it's a Panne. Schief geht. क्या बोलते हैं? What else? Another word is schief geht. Schief geht. It was get schief. Separable verb. Schief geht. Something is wrong. Something mishappening. It was schief geht. So you have a Besprechung. You have a meeting. Treffen. And you are coming late. Sie sind spät. So this is Panne. Number 1. Nummer 2. Den Geburtstag der Lieblingskollegin vergessen. Geburtstag der Lieblingskollegin vergessen. You forget the birthday of your favorite colleague. Then it's a Panne. You love that colleague and you have very good understanding, but you forget the birthday. So there is a Panne. Schief geht. Panne am Arbeitsplatz. Something mishappening. Really, the colleague feel very bad. He or she remembers your birthday. He always take care of you, but you forget his or her birthday. Here, female colleague. Der Lieblingskollegin vergessen. Das ist eine Panne. Einen Kollegen mit dem falschen Namen ansprechen. You address your colleagues with the wrong name. Really, it's a big blunder. Again, Panne am Arbeitsplatz. Mit dem falschen Namen ansprechen, to address. You are addressing your colleague with the wrong name. You don't know the name. It's a blunder. You are working at the same place. You know each other. You are colleagues, but you don't know the name. Mit dem falschen Namen ansprechen. Ansprechen, to address someone, to call someone with the wrong name. You don't know. It's a Panne, blunder. So be careful if you are working. So please be careful. Don't make these mistakes. Auf dem Parkplatz der Chefin parken. To park at the place of your boss. This is the fixed place for your boss, and you park your car or your bike or your two-wheeler. It's a Panne because she is your boss. You should respect, regard her. Leave the space. Don't park there and find some other place, because chef is a boss of the company, head of the institution. Leiter des Instituts, Chefin, and you are parked auf dem Parkplatz der Chefin. Das ist eine Panne. Don't forget. So we have done 1, 2, 3, 4. Nummer 5. Eine wichtige E-Mail an die falsche Person schicken. You send the important email to the wrong person. An die falsche Person. Don't do this. Never do this. You might be in trouble. It's a great trouble. You send email, very important email to the wrong person. An die falsche Person. Sie haben eine E-Mail geschickt. Das ist eine Panne, wirklich. Das geht in schief. Alles geht schief. Everything is spoiled. You spoiled everything. Whatever you have done so far, it's spoiled. Nobody remembers your good work. But if you make any mistake, it remembers. So don't do this. And the last, Kaffee über den Computer schütten. Kaffee über den Computer schütten. You are drinking the coffee and suddenly schütten auf den Computer. What happened? Computer ist kaputt. Computer funktioniert nicht. Computer will not work because you schütten. Okay? Then Kaffee. Das ist auch eine Panne. These are very important vocabulary, very important words. I hope you remember this and it will help you to improve your language skills. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.